Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create Genmoji on macOS 27. To do that, we need to have stable internet connection. Open Messages application, then open emoji menu in any chat right here, and after that we have to tap this emoji and describe an emoji that you want to generate. So we can ask for a happy face with a hat, and then wait until this emoji is created, and we can directly use it in a chat where we generate it. So if you like it, just tap add and then send it directly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.